Hi everyone, in today's video I'm sharing a few tips for painting bird feathers, how to get that soft, natural texture that feels light and realistic. This is based on a full-length sparrow painting tutorial I just finished for my Patreon members. But in this video I wanted to zoom in on a few of the techniques that really help bring the feathers to life. Let's jump in. The first tip starts right at the beginning, in the blocking in stage. This first layer is thin and loose, but it's more important than it looks. Here, I'm not focused on detail. I'm exploring early color, tone, and texture. Even though the brushwork is simple, I'm already starting to suggest the direction of the feathers with my strokes. This base layer sets the stage for everything that follows. It's about getting a feel for the shapes and movement, and creating something I can build on. The second tip is about how to build up feathery texture while everything's still wet. I use the ends of the brush hairs to lightly drag across the surface, letting the brush do a lot of the work. Sometimes I blend out into the background, or soften edges as I go to create that soft, airy feel without harsh outlines. And finally, tip 3 is to suggest detail rather than define every mark. I'm not trying to paint every single feather. I just place a few key strokes that hint at structure or contrast. The rest stays soft and blended. It's about deciding what to sharpen and what to leave more abstract. This helps the feathers feel more natural and painterly. If you found these tips helpful, I go into much more depth in the full-length sparrow painting tutorial available for my Patreons. There, I walk you through the whole process in real time, from the sketch all the way to the final details, explaining each step as I go. You can find the link below if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this gave you a few new ideas for your next bird painting.